right, before proceeding, download the chart for this one. I've done a little bit of arranging and writing to go along with this so that it's a little bit more engaging, I hope. And then, if you are more advanced or you've done these before, you can go ahead and jump to this time and just start playing. Now, if you're newer here or less advanced, there are some things that come along with this play-along video. One, the chart that I have made includes the melody that Charlie Parker wrote, then a send-off, which is a melodic idea that happens before a solo. We play the send-off every time that a whole chorus is being played. A whole chorus of improvisation is being played. So before my first chorus, and then before your first chorus, and then my second chorus, and then your second chorus. But after that, we trade fours, and so we just get rid of the send-off. There's also some backgrounds, and there's also a melody that I wrote to replace the first two A sections for the melody that we play before the end. That being said, since this is also written as a duet, there's two parts. The lead part is in the right ear, I believe, and the secondary part is in the left ear. So you can take away the headphone that represents the part that you want to play, and then ignore that part and listen to the part that is the counterpart to the part you're playing. I think the secondary part is a little bit more difficult because of what I wrote for the bridge. And overall, most of the things I wrote are in line with the style of this piece. It's very Charlie Parker-like, but also very simple and very easy Latin, relatively easy Latin. It's more like a bossa nova than the more upbeat Latin tune that Charlie Parker wrote, but this is also more accessible for students. With that, I think you have all the information you need to go. Instructions will appear on the screen in green for you to play, for red when I'm playing, and telling you how long that you get to play. Try to interact with what I play or the backgrounds as much as you can or want to. And that's pretty much it. Have fun working on this tune. This is Little Suede Shoes, written by Charlie Parker. is relatively short. There's not a lot going on this tune, so you're welcome to go back and play it all again, or find just a solo download, a solo backing track after this. Hope my playing and the interactions have helped you a little bit. Otherwise, have a great day. Go work on some other tunes. Go listen to some music. Go listen to some Charlie Parker. Bye.